anybody that's going in a divorce, about ready to be single, and divide your entire estate in half. If it is not an income producing asset, you need to sell it.
What tips do you have for soon to be single parents on how to financially prepare for divorce? This is a finance thing, so I had to tie that in. Like, so folks that might potentially be divorced.
If it is not an income producing asset, sell it. If it is not producing income, you sell it. And I just learned this. I tried to teach my kids this because they lost their bike this summer at the beach, and they're like, "Oh, I got to go buy a new bike." And I was like, you know what? You need to keep better track of your bikes. I know it sounds funny, but this is just track with me, and there's no point in telling the story. Other than what I said to them, I was like, how about if I didn't have to spend $700 buying you a new bike? And instead I took that $700 and I bought you a vending machine. Which one of those two things is going to be producing money? And they're like, vending machine. I'm like, oh, I can't buy is that bike going to make you any money? Unless you can Uber it or sell it or rent it or whatever. So anybody that's going in a divorce, about ready to be single, and divide your entire estate in half. If it is not an income producing asset, you need to sell it. Your Gucci bags are not going to make you happy. They aren't going to, you're not winning a popularity contest. Cut the crap, buy things, invest in income producing assets, not depreciating assets, not anything. And if you do, and Botox, that's the one thing I'm like, just do your Botox and buy income producing. That's it. I'm done.